We flip it. Oh my god, it's... Why is it burned? It's fine. I like my hot dog black. I like it when it's not fully burned. It's totally burnt. Hala! Hala! Ano pala ako ng kanto? Oh my God, guys. Black na, guys. Uy! Ano? Naan ko. Don't talk ha when your mouth is full. I'm not joking. It's burned everywhere.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Just cooking my burnt hot dog. Nagalit si ate ko ulit.
Seconds earlier.
Sino magaling magluto sa Bini? Magaling? Laman?
Nag-graduate na ako college niya.
Graduate ka na?
Nag-graduate na.
Naiyak ako. Naiyak ka. Mag-ika mo na eh.
Hey, thank you.
Sabi nga naman ni Erasa na we are here with you and you are here with us. Uy, pero nagpapakita din, Sheena's performance. Dance machine. Ano mo yung comment nyo kay Sheena? Wala ba ako spectacular?
Sheena, ano sunod sa A? B! Paano yun?
Paano ko nga ginawa yun? Na-awkward.
May lagnat ka ba? Lasing. Ang cringe. Ano bang meron?
Nagagawa lang ko.
Ayoko na, guys.
Sorry, nag-take over yung kuya ko.
Sheena, para sa ating mga kamorkada, ano bang pwede mong i-advise sa mga pupunta this weekend? Diba?
Advice po sa mga magbe-beach?
Yes.
Yes, you should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned. Kasi I'm burned. And bring snacks. Kasi baka yung resort na pupuntahan mo overpriced. If you wanna see under the sea, bring goggles. Yes, and magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon.
Okay.
Para hindi kayo nagsisigawan sa CR.
Parang dito experience ba ito, Sheena?
Mag-offer na mag-extend yung Bini. Would you extend?
No! I was confident.
Mari Blue.
Ito last question. Di lang
Boy, joke lang yun guys ha. Baka akalain naman.
Ikaw naman.
Globe sa gusto ko 50 years yung baby.
Ganun pa, dapat lang ako.
Jongwon or Beanie?
Jungwon!
Joke yan.
Jungwon all the way! How are you?
Kabahan ka man lang. Kabahan ka.
Don't hide the cough. Fight it with Mucosolvan 24 hours.
Hala! We were killed!
News update. 8 magkakaibigang patay sa sunog sa Baguio City.
Nagbibini road trip lang naman kami.
Oh no, knock on wood.
Na ako next year, Blooms. Hindi na ako tatawa.
Alam mo yun, nationality.
Can you share it to us?
No.
Wala pa kasi silang sagot daw kasi.
Init! Init talaga. Hope it's me. I'm a solo stan. It's fine! I love me.
If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because lapit ni.
Because it's Jungwon and Nikki.
because I want to be a cat. You can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar. Roar? Roar? Tiger. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yung tiger?
Tiger.
Meow but bigger.
Why do you... Bakit gusto mag-meow?
I want to meow so that I can contribute to the world.
Noise pollution.
When you can meow, like in the chickens mouth, I can meow like the worms here in our house, the EVs, they can substitute, they can melt into a mountain. And the gas, solid, and medium is equal to y-axis. It turns the transpose siya into one. Tsaka na sa in the power of 8. In the power of 8, what is the final answer? Meow. Okay, very good.
Okay, ang
Thank you. Wow! A pufferfish! A pufferfish! There's a pufferfish! There's a pufferfish!
namatay. Sabihin ko pa lang na ano eh. Itagda mo sa pagka mo. Eh di wag mo itaga. Ayaw niya pala eh. Eh di wag. Wag na.
Tataga pa eh. Blooms? Blooms, hello? Blooms? 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 Blooms, hello?
Excuse me. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Sheena.
Can I take a photo of you?
Sure po.
Okay.
Hala, nakatulog ako.